Hello, everybody. In my travels, looking for toys, I picked up this guy. This is a bootleg of Cybertron, Brimstone from the Jungle Planet. I was expecting to find more Cybertron toys like this, but all the store had was him. Has a great English back here. Says transform, a new alternative for a new millennium, the best welcome gifts for the children, the sharpest image, finished robot mode. Let's check it out. It only cost me $1.20, so it wasn't a big loss. And it's rare to come across any bootleg Transformers of legit Transformers. Most of the bootlegs of robots I see are these wacky made up robots. Or maybe they're robots I don't know of. It might be Power Ranger robots. Alright. He's free from his plastic prison. Or as the English people would have it, he is liberated from his aluminum cage. Aluminium, whatever. Alright. Get rid of this. What the heck? Says HTTP www business, and over here internet. Wow. What that has to do with Transformers, I have no idea. It even says high speed what? This product may be upgraded. Please excuse for non-informative in advance. The outer packaging pictures may vary from the real production. Oh, at least it has warnings here. Yeah. The Spanish here is correctly translated. Oh, you don't want the kids to choke. Rise, Brimstone, rise. So, Brimstone, like all Cybertron Transformers, has very easy transformation. His two legs, one becomes his head, and one just slides back. His two arms become his arms, I guess. Let's try and transform. Alright, so bring this up. Like that. Call. Let me bring out this bottom beak so that the top beak fits in. Rawr. I am prehistoric. On the toy, these little legs are on the wings. Are they? No, they're not. Alright, they're in the correct place. It's Caw. I think his head is supposed to go down, but alas, he has a cyber key hole. See the little triangle insert here. Let me try and work his second leg. It's a little tight. I don't think it'll be forgiving. New transformation for a new millennium. It's been 8 years. Alright. Looks like this leg doesn't want to budge. supposed to turn around so that this part of the leg can come back here, but it doesn't wanna. Alright, I should be reviewing the real Brimstone in a couple of weeks. Wow, this is not cool. This is just a load of suckitude. Alright, I'm almost there. Almost there. Alright, I got it. Then bring this up like that. And, alright. So basically, that's Bootleg Brimstone. I just picked them up to see the quality that he was made of. I doubt I'll be picking up any more of these, unless, you know, they're interesting. Alright guys, see ya on the flip side. Terror Shaver, transform!